Hello children, in this video you will learn LCM by different methods. Before we'll start, let us discuss the meaning of LCM. Now, what do we mean by LCM or what is the full form of LCM? LCM means least or lowest common multiple. L stands for either least or lowest, C stands for common and M stands for multiple. There are three ways to find out the LCM. First is LCM by common multiple method. Second method is by prime factorization. And third one is by common division method. Let us discuss the first method, that is LCM by common multiple method. For all the three methods, I will take three numbers only. I am not going to change the number every time. At the end, we will just try to find out what is the conclusion. Why I took every time the same numbers. Now, suppose if you have to find the LCM of 8, 10 and 12. First of all, I am going to solve it by common multiple method. Now for that, first of all, I have to write down the multiples of, first of all 8, then multiples of 10 and then multiples of 12. Now I have to write down the table of 8. 8 ones are 8, 2s are 16, 3s are 24, 4s are 32, 5s are 40, 6s are 48, 7s are 56, 8s are 64, 9s are 72 and 10s are 80. These are the multiples of 8. Now 10. Very simple. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and last one is the 10 times are 100. Now time to write down the multiples of 12. 12 ones are 12, 2s are 24, 3s are 36, 4s are 48, 5s are 60, 6s are 72, then 84, 96, 108 and the last one is 120. Now after that what I have to do is I have to find out the common multiples, that is CM. Common multiples means which are common among the three numbers. Let's find out, because here I have written the multiples of 10, so I can easily find out 40 here also, but here I don't have 40. Now 80, 80, but here I don't have 80. So it means what I have to do is I have to write down more multiples. So after that 88, I am writing the multiples on the top now. Then 96, then 104, then 120. Now after that 100, 110, 120. So it means I will get only one common multiple here. In the table of 8 I have 120, here I have 120 and at the end I got only one common multiple, that is 120. Because if you have seen here, well, first of all I have written first 10 multiples, but I don't find any common multiple. So after that what I did, I just write the next 5 multiples for 8, then next 2 multiples for 10, and there is no need to write down any multiple for 12 because I have 120 which is common among all. So LCM will be the only number 120, because if you got a one number only as your common multiples, it means that is the smallest common multiple, or you can say the least common multiple. Now let us discuss the second method, that is how to find out the LCM by prime factorization method. prime factorization method you did earlier also when you have to find out the HCF by prime factorization. Now let's try to understand. Now I have to find out the factors of 8, prime factors of 8, 10 and 12. Now because 8 is a prime even number, so I'll start with 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. Then I have 10, so even number, 2 5s are 10, it's a prime number, so I'll check it by 5 only. 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, now 3 is a prime number. So now when you have to write down, find out the LCM by prime factorization method, you can directly find out the prime factorization. How? Here in this case you can see how many times 2 comes. It comes 3 times. Here how many times 2 comes? 1 time. And how many times here it comes? 2 times. So in which case it appears maximum time? Here, so I am going to write 2 into 2 into 2. Now another number after 2 is 5. It appears 1 time here only. I don't have here, I don't have here, so I am writing multiplied by 5. Now I left with only one number, that is 3. It appears 1 time here only. It is not here, it is not here, so I am going to write down 1 time only. So now what you have to do is to find out the LCM. Multiply all the number. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40, 43s are 120. Now children, if you remember, when I find out the LCM by common multiple method, my answer was 120 only. And here in this case also my LCM is 120. Now let us discuss the third method, that is LCM by common division method, and we'll check whether the answer will be same or it will be different. Now let's try it by common division method. Now it means you have to take all the numbers together, 8, 10 and 12. Because all are even numbers, so I'll start with 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. Now again even, odd, even. So there are 2 even numbers, so I can start. 2 2s are 5 will be same, 2 3s are 6. Now 2 1s are 5 will be same, 3 will be same. Now 3 5, you can write down 5 here first also, no issues, it will not be wrong. Now I have to multiply the numbers which are given on the left side to find out the LCM. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Now 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 5s are 120. Children, again here in this case the LCM is 120. It means if you will find out the LCM by any of the 3 methods, your answer will be same in each case. Thank you.